Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salary in Tally. First, ensure payroll features are enabled in Tally Prime. Navigate to the F11 Features menu and activate the Payroll option. This step is crucial for accessing all necessary payroll functionalities. Next, set up your payroll masters, including employee groups, units of work, and attendance or production types. These foundational elements are vital for accurate salary processing. Now, let's define your pay heads. These are the building blocks of your salary structure, encompassing earnings like basic salary and deductions such as Provident Fund. For each pay head, specify its calculation type, whether it's a flat rate, based on attendance, or a user-defined value. Remember to configure income tax details where necessary. Finally, assign these pay heads to create comprehensive salary structures for your employees. With your pay heads and structures in place, it's time to record attendance. Use attendance vouchers to capture employee presence, overtime, or leave. Tally Prime offers an autofill option to process payroll efficiently, saving you significant time. This feature automatically calculates salaries based on defined structures and attendance. After processing, you can generate detailed salary statements and individual pay slips for distribution to your employees. Finally, Tally Prime provides a suite of powerful payroll reports. You can generate detailed pay sheets, Provident Fund reports, and professional tax statements. These reports are essential for internal review and external compliance. Tally also helps you generate statutory reports, ensuring adherence to government regulations. Regularly review these reports to maintain accuracy and ensure timely submission of all statutory dues, keeping your payroll process smooth and compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.